Okay, so what is Wireshark? Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer. A network packet analyzer presents captured network data in as much detail as possible. A packet analyzer is designed to be a tool for analyzing what is happening over a network interface. Who are the type of people that use Wireshark? Network administrators use Wireshark for troubleshooting network problems. Network security engineers use it to examine security posture. Quality assurance engineers use it to verify network applications. Developers use it to debug protocol implementations. And people use it to learn about network protocols. Let's take a look at some of the many features of Wireshark. For starters, Wireshark has availability for Unix and Windows platforms. Next, Wireshark allows you to capture live network data over a network interface. Wireshark also allows you to open multiple types of packet capture file formats. Wireshark displays packets with very detailed information, allowing for deep packet analysis. Wireshark can also filter and save captured packet data. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be going over how to install Wireshark. So first step will be to go on Google and type in Wireshark. And after you've done that, you should get a link that says www.wireshark.org. Go ahead and click that one. And then if you aren't already at the download page, you'd go ahead and just click here at the top menu bar, download. And then you will select your operating system. I'm running a Windows 10 64-bit operating system, so I'll click the x64 installer. Alright. After that file has downloaded, go to your downloads folder. Now that you have Wireshark, I'll go ahead and drag it to my desktop. Next, you'll go ahead and open the Wireshark installer and click yes on the message that it prompts you. Next, you will go ahead and click next on this. Click noted. Next. Here you'll stick with the default installation components unless you have a specific use case. Here's where you can create shortcuts. I'm going to create a desktop icon instead of a start menu item. Go ahead and leave this default as checked. This will just allow Wireshark to automatically detect capture files. Next. And then you'll go ahead and select the directory of where you want to install it if you don't want it installed on the current drive, but this one's fine for me. So I already have npcap installed, but you would go ahead and click this here. This will allow Wireshark to capture live network data. Alright, and this is just a USB capture extension, but we won't be capturing any USB traffic data, so there's no need to install that. After that, you'll click install and wait. Alright, after it's done installing, I'll go ahead and click next. Click finish. And then since I use that desktop icon shortcut, I can go ahead and find it on my desktop here and grab it. But if you didn't do that, you can go ahead and click the little search bar here and search up Wireshark and open the program that way. So I'll go ahead and open up by double clicking the icon. And now that you're at this screen, you'll go ahead and select the interface that you want to capture network data on. So you can see you have the Ethernet and a local area connection. So go ahead and click Ethernet. And then when you're ready to start capturing data, you'll click top left, start capture. And there you go. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and open up Wireshark. And you'll see you have some different interfaces that you can choose to read from, but I'll go ahead and click Ethernet. And up at the top left here, you can click this icon here for starting capture. But you can also go here to capture and hit start. So as you can see, this is a lot of packets coming through already. So I'll go ahead and just click stop because that's plenty of packets. So you want a way to filter all this down so that you're not looking at so much of it, right? So thankfully there's display filters that we can add here. So say that I wanted to see, let's see what else is in here, UDP, Say I wanted to see everything, all the TCP packets. Well, I would just simply type in TCP and then click this arrow here. And now I can see all the TCP packets. And over here on the left, you can see these brackets here. This means that these packets are all part of the same conversation, right? So if I actually wanted to just see these individual packets in this conversation, I could just click on any packet. So let's just say this one. I can right click, I can go down to follow, and then I'll just hit TCP stream. And whatever this menu is, just going to close that. But then right here you can see all the packets a part of that single TCP stream. So how exactly do you read the Wireshark interface here? Well, you have the packet list pane, which is this top pane here with some columns here. So you have the number, which is going to be the number ordered of the captured packet. So you can see here 1 through all the way to 43. Time. This column shows how long after you start the packet capture that this particular packet was captured. Right, so you can see that 1.4 seconds after starting the capture, this packet was captured, and 2.5 seconds after the capture was started, this packet here was captured. Next is the source. This is the source IP address that the packet is being sent from. Next you have the destination. This is the destination that the packet is being sent to. This is the destination IP address. Next you have the protocol. So this is the type of packet that's being sent. You can see that there's a lot of TCP here. Next you have the packet length. This just shows how long the packet is. And next you have info, which just shows a little bit more information about the packet, and it can vary depending on what protocol was being used. Alright, now I want to show the packet details pane. This shows you as much readable information about the packet as possible. So say that I wanted to look at this HTTP packet here. I can see all the layer 1 and layer 2, layer 3, and layer 4 information here. I can see the frame, the Ethernet, you can see the MAC address here. IP address is right here. And say that I saw something in here that I wanted to apply as a filter. Say I wanted to see only HTTP packets. I can go ahead and highlight this hypertext transfer protocol here. Right click. Under apply as filter, I'll click select it. And there, I get all of the HTTP packets in the capture file. Alright, next I want to show how to open up previous Wireshark captures for analysis. So you'll go ahead and you'll open up Wireshark. You'll hit File, Open, and then you'll just find the Wireshark captures that you have either captured yourself or that you've downloaded somewhere else. So here I have a HTTP packet capture, so I'll go ahead and open that. And there you go, I have a whole HTTP packet capture now that I can look at for further analysis. So next thing I want to show is just a tip for anyone who's doing some sort of packet analysis and you want to hone in on some more specific details of the capture. So with the statistics tab here, you can open up a selection called capture file properties, and this actually shows a plethora of information including the hash and the hash format. It shows you the time, it shows you the hardware, the operating system that the capture was taken on, and as well as the application here. So this is actually a pretty useful information pane here. Shows you a lot. And next on the statistics tabs would be the input-output graphs. This just shows a graph of how many packets were captured over the length of the capture. As you can see here, you have some different legends here. Next would be the endpoint statistics. This is very important because it actually shows you the different endpoints that it actually picked up. It can show you their MAC addresses here, their IPv4, and their IPv6, but there's none here because it's not implemented.